Good morning, student. Today my topic is balance sheet. So in company balance sheet, class 12th accounts, we are going to study main heads of non-current liabilities. My dear student, first you have to understand what is the meaning of non-current assets. Non-current liabilities. So we are going to study non-current liabilities and the main heads and subheads. So before going to know the main heads and subheads, you have to understand the non-current liabilities. In this category, the operating cycle if is 12 months, but the payment is going to be made after the 12 months. So you can say that the payment of the liability is more than 12 months. It comes under the non-current liabilities, but the payment comes made under the 12 month, it is called current liabilities. So one by one I am going to explain each and every main heads. So what is this? The non-current liabilities, that is the main heads. The subheads comes under long-term borrowing. It is the subheads. In this long-term borrowing, the first is bonds and debentures. My dear students, the bonds and debenture is going to be redeemed after 12 months. It is also type of a loan which is obtained by the public company. Public deposit which is going to be paid after the 12 month. Okay. Here a new example for you, that is premium payable on redemption of debenture. Simple. When we issue debenture, it means we are collecting the loan from the public. But when we are going to repay, that word is called redemption. Redemption means repayment. Repayment at premium. It means the company is going to pay or repayment at the premium. So this is also called long-term borrowing payable. Now the term loans from the bank. So whatever the loans the company obtained from the bank, that is a term loan, 2 years, 5 years, 3 years, that term loan also comes under the long-term borrowing. Others loans and advances, it means the loans which not obtained from the bank, it comes under the others loans and advances. That also comes under the long-term borrowing. Now second, deferred tax liability. What is this meaning of deferred tax liability? First you have to understand, if a company calculating the depreciation on the machinery on a straight line method, but according to the guidelines of income tax, the income tax told that you have to follow the diminishing balance method. So this method is going to be changed from straight line to diminishing balance method. So what happened, if the balances occur, that type of the balance or incomes comes under the deferred tax liability. My dear student, what happened here in this situation, you can say that if your accounting income is more than taxable income, if your accounting income is more than taxable income, it comes under deferred tax. Now the third subheads, other long-term liabilities. What is this, the other long-term liabilities? You have already know that trade payables. Trade payables are two types, bills payables and creditors. If the company is going to pay trade payable after 12 months, okay, it means it comes under non-current liabilities, and the subhead is other long-term liabilities. Once again I am telling, trade payable is generally comes to the current liabilities, but this current liabilities payment is going to make after 12 months. That is why it comes under the other long-term liabilities. Now the fourth is long-term provision. What is the provision? Generally, employees are working in different types of company. The company make the provision of gratuity. What is the gratuity? The payment after the retirement. Okay, this type of the provision created by company, because at the time of the retirement the company is going to pay gratuity. Okay, so on leave, whatever this earned leave, it is also belongs to the retirement. At the time of the retirement, the company pay whatever the earned leave amount to the employee. So this type of the provisions comes under the long-term provisions. Now another is warranty claim. What is the warranty claim? Warranty claim means that the claim which is going to be prepared for the manufacturing of goods. Okay, during the manufacturing of goods, the company make a provision of the warranty. So this type of the provisions comes under long-term provision. So my dear students, I hope you understand. You keep remember that non-current liabilities have 4 subheads: long-term borrowing, deferred tax, other long-term liabilities, long-term provision. These all are the subheads which comes under the main heads of the non-current liabilities. So you keep remember, because in your exam it will ask to you which are the main heads and subheads. Okay, thank you.